tip down a little bit. Tip down, tip down, tip down. Amigo. Maybe. Tip down. Tip down. Very good. It's a rooster fish. Ojo mi línea, Roger. It's a rooster fish.
Why do you like
Only
to
let it go.
Yeah, why do you like...
Oh, when they stop, you really tight the line.
I got it.
Okay.
Why do you like the tip down? I'm just curious.
No, when the fish jumping, I need the tip down.
You want it. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Only when the fish jumping. Right now, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. I got you. I hear you. I'm sure there's like rocks or something.
Déjala ahí, Roger. Sí, la tuya sí, pero la de él no. La mía no. Busque el net. Yeah, it's sometimes the rooster jumping. You know, look when they're jumping.
Okay. Yeah. No, so it's like tarpon fishing. You want to bring...
Yeah.
All right.
Where are you watching tarpon?
What's that?
Where you want? Where are you catching tarpon?
Oh,
Caribbean?
In the States, yeah.
Ah, in the States?
Yeah, in the Keys.
Right here, only in the Caribbean side.
You got on the Caribbean,
Caribbean side, right?
Ooh.
Yeah, I didn't even know that.
Agarra usted, Roger.
Como usted quiera, agarra.
Yeah, agárrelo.
There you go, babe.
Cuidadito.
Oh, there you go.
Good job.
Attaboy, Cap.
Good job.
So he definitely hit it the first time, and then I dropped
Yeah,
it and he
it's
was following
something
it.
again, yeah.
Nice.
2 times.
Hey.
Gave him a little tease.
Before this is straight one.
Yeah.
Look at the pato, aguja, you know?
What kind of bird is that?
It's a buoy, needle buoy.
Oh, neat. He was trying to figure that out earlier. We couldn't figure out what it was. We
Yeah.
always seen him. We're like, what kind of bird is it?
Swimming down the
Oh, that's
water.
awesome.
Ya el pato aguja, Roger.
Es legítimo, ¿verdad?
Sí.
There you go, babe.
Es el que se come, que lo andan buscando.
Dicen, sí. Yeah, maybe switch and the right. Quita la caña ahí, Roger. Al otro lado, Roger.
Como siempre, van a llegar al bote y hacen viaje.
Sí. Rooster, amigo.
I saw it
Yeah.
right there.
Water's much cleaner down here.
Shit, look at that pretty fish.
The rooster fish I like in the clean water.
Gorgeous. I didn't want a picture taken.
He's camera shy.
Robbie, what side do you want to be on?
Yeah. When the miss, stay back, you stay back,
I'll just
Roger.
walk. All
Yeah.
right, cool.
When the Roger put it off the net, you wrap down. Okay?
Gotcha.
Little bit. Little more. Go ahead. Okay, you wrap down. Very good. Very good. Pepper, Roger. That's good. Yeah. Good job. All right. Put it off, you wrap in the holder. De las agallas, no, Roger.
Ready?
Yep. Let's go.
Sábele los dedos, Roger.
It's not
One moment. Right down the very good.
Okay.
Okay. Oye, venga, tómame una foto con él.
Voy, ¿qué?
Look at me, amigo. Wait. I need a picture right here. Roger, de este lado.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, Roger.
Yeah, you guys got it?
Yeah, Roger.
Te agarra así,
All
sí.
Yeah.
Amiga, you. Close.
Yeah, here, come get it.
Saque una, Roger, con esa mismo. Okay.
There
Release the fish, please.
Yep, straight
Yeah.
head first.
Yeah, let it go, let it go. Yeah. Bye bye. It's a good release, okay? Thank you.
Guys,
Yeah.
we're working.